Hello YouTube, this is Drew coming back again with another episode of Driving South Carolina, where we do a dash cam drive through a town in South Carolina. Today's episode will feature Marion, South Carolina. I've spent a lot of time in Marion County, South Carolina, not necessarily Marion in my life. Probably second most to the county I live in, Horry. So Marion has a special place in my heart. Like I said, Marion County, I haven't really spent too much time in Marion itself. Um, Marion is named after Revolutionary War General Francis Marion. Uh, Here we are, we're going to veer off here because, and you may want to know, I thought you do dash cam drive throughs and not going through things. Well, every once in a while I go to certain places in these towns to get a look, and I actually was in a store called Palmetto Peddlers in Florence, and I bought a street sign of this exact corner right there, Gascue Street and West Baptist Street. Um, so, and the corner back there, I actually owned the street sign for, the old street sign for. I bought it from there, so I did want to see what that looked like. It's in a neighborhood. And you may have noticed by now that this video is in double speed because the actual video would have been over 10 minutes, and anytime these videos are going to be over 10 minutes, I'm going to put in double speed. So instead, you're actually going to get a 6-minute video. You can actually mess with the playback speed on YouTube nowadays yourself, so you can slow it down yourself. So just for timing purposes, it is in double speed. When we get to the downtown portion, like where the courthouse is and the businesses and that kind of thing, I do slow it down to more of a normal speed and then speed it back up until we get out of the town. But yeah, we did Sumter this way, Georgetown this way, I believe Camden, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, this is the downtown part. This is in the normal speed. And if you look to the left, there was the courthouse. Beautiful. And here is downtown. There's a mural on the left. Very well kept and well manicured downtown. Doesn't look like it's falling down, which is always a positive. And up here, I'm going to turn off. I really didn't know where I was going at this particular point, and I actually made a wrong turn. I did not follow my GPS as I wanted to, and so you're not going to see the most scenic route. And I apologize for that, but it's part of it. I mean, it's still Marion, so you're seeing just a different view of it than what I'd planned. It's still a view of Marion. And some more quick facts about Marion, other than it being named after Francis Marion. It has about 7,000 people living in it. I think actually closer to 6 than 7. It's the county seat of Marion County. Of course, that shouldn't be a surprise. But anyway, guys, just enjoy it and enjoy the rest of the driving tour.